Hi everyone, back with another keto recipe, a super easy recipe. We've got bagel pizzas, and each serving is one bagel. Here's what you will need: a keto style bagel, shredded mozzarella cheese, pepperonis, pizza sauce, for seasoning, basil, oregano, onion and garlic powder. You'll need a cookie sheet, a fourth cupper, and a tablespoon. Now let's start by preheating the oven to 400, and let's prepare our bagel pizzas. I did 2 servings. Each bagel, like I said, is one full bagel, so I've got them opened up. And you're going to add on each half a tablespoon of pizza sauce, a fourth cup of cheese on each half of the shredded cheese, 6 pepperonis on each half, and then we're going to season it up with the basil, the oregano, the onion, and garlic powder right on top. Pop these babies into the oven and cook them for 12 minutes. It's that simple, you guys. Pull them out and they're all ready to eat. I show the bottoms here nice and golden brown and delicious. You could dip it in a ranch. I set them out there. That's 1 serving there. And on top of that, I added Parmesan cheese. But like I said, you could do that. That's optional. But also you could add some ranch to the side and dip them. There you go. Oh my gosh, absolutely delicious. Kids would love these. And can you believe this? Are you ready for the carb count? 4.5 carbs for that plate right there. And regular bagel pizza, holy cow, would be so much more carb. Definitely make these for kids. They would enjoy them. You're going to enjoy them. And they were delicious. Can't wait for you guys to see the food and fun video. Always keep it keto.